morning students. Today class I am going to explain the same exercise number 5.5 question number 7. Almost I complete all the sums except 10. Question number 10 is a deleted portion. So I am not teaching that 10th sum. See the 7th question. Remaining sum I completed for the last video itself. A rod of length 1.2 meter moves with its ends always touching the coordinate axis. The length of the rod, what is the length of the rod? 1.2 meter. Move with the ends. How to move with the ends? Touching the coordinate axis to meet the x-axis and y-axis. The locus of the point P on the rod. The point P is, if we take point P is on the rod. Locus of the point, moving point P on the rod, which is 0.3 meter from the end in contact with the x-axis is an ellipse. See that one, I see the diagram. After watching the diagram, you easily understand. The locus of a point P on the rod, which is 0.3 meter from end in contact with the what axis? X-axis is an ellipse. Find the eccentricity. Now we are going to find the eccentricity of the rod. Rod's eccentricity கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். A rod of length 1.2 meter moves with its ends always touching the coordinate axis. The locus of the point P on the rod, which is 0.3 meter from the end in contact with what axis? X-axis is an ellipse. Find the eccentricity. Find the eccentricity of the rod. See the diagram. Already I read the question. A rod of length 1.2 meter with its ends always touching the x-axis. Coordinate axis means this is AB is the rod. AB. AB is a rod. What is the centimeter? The length of the rod is what? 1.2 meter. AB is what? Length of the rod. Its dimension is what? What is the length? 1.2 meter. The length of the rod AB equal to 1.2 meter. Next, P be a point. P be a locus point. P is the locus point. That is moving point. X comma Y. X comma which is 0.3 meter. Meet at the x-axis. From x-axis, the locus of the point is 0.3 meter at a meet the rod. Next, we draw the diagram for what? Join MP. Join MP as well as PN. So you draw a line. This is what axis? X-axis. This is nothing but what? Y-axis. Draw the line from M to P. Next you draw P to N. What is this? Is what axis? X-axis. What is this? Is what? Y-axis. Now listen. AB is the length of rod. This is A. What is this? B. AB is the length of the rod. What is the question given? AB is the length of the rod. We take rod of the length 1.2 meter. Touching the coordinate axis. The rod is touching both x-axis and y-axis respectively. The length of the rod AB touch the both coordinate axis means it meet the x-axis as well as what axis? Y-axis. Next, the locus of the P on the rod. The point P, the locus point, moving point is on the rod. The locus of the point P on the rod, which is 0.3 meter from the end in the contact with the x-axis. The point P is from x-axis. The locus of the point P is, what is the distance from P to x-axis? What? 0.3 meter. Question itself given. The locus of the point which is 0.3 meter away from the x-axis. X-axis is 0.3 meter distance. Next, what is the balance? See, the total length of the rod is 1.2 meter. Total length is what? Total length of the rod is 1.2 meter. So you subtract 1.2 minus 0.3 is nothing but what? 0.9 meter. Now we are going to find the eccentricity of the rod. We are going to find the eccentricity. That is angle we are going to find. See, length of the rod. What is our length of the rod? Length of the rod AB equal to 1.2 meter. Given AP equal to, question itself given because the locus point P is move from 0.3 meter from x-axis. From x-axis, the distance between the x-axis and the locus point P is what? 0.3 meter. Therefore, AP is nothing but what? 0.3 meter. AP is 0.3 meter. PB equal to what is our PB? PB equal to total distance is what? AB minus AP. AB minus AP. So PB equal to AB minus AP. AB is what? 1.2 meter minus AP is what? 0.3 meter. So equal to what? 0.9 meter. So you take here two right angle triangle, because this is what? This is one of the 90-degree angle, 90 degree. This is a right angle triangle. This is also one more right angle triangle. See compare the diagram. First triangle is ANP. ANP. Take the small triangle. See the diagram. First triangle is what? ANP. This is one of the right angle triangle. In ANP and PMB. PMB, bigger triangle. Smaller triangle is what? ANP. Bigger triangle is what? PMB. Both are what? Similar. The triangle ANP with similar triangle. What are the two triangles here having? Smaller triangle is what? ANP. Smaller triangle is ANP. Bigger triangle is what? PMB. So therefore these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are what? Similar. Next here ANP and PMB are similar. In ANP, then triangle ANP, sin theta we are going to find. Smaller triangle find the sin theta. Keep it in mind. Smaller triangle find the sin theta. Bigger triangle you find the cos theta. If you find smaller triangle find the sin theta means easily find out the y value. Bigger triangle you find the cos theta, easily find the x value. So in triangle ANP, sin theta. Sin theta is nothing. Smaller triangle sin theta. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side what is given? Y. So opposite sin theta is nothing but what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is nothing but what? See the diagram. Opposite side is what? Compare the, see the diagram. If you understand means sum is very easy for you. Using sin theta you find the value for y. Using cos theta you find the value for x. So from the smaller triangle ANP, this is what side? Opposite side by hypotenuse. That is opposite side by hypotenuse nothing but what? Sin theta equal to y by opposite side is what? Y. Hypotenuse is what? 0.3 meter. So opposite side by hypotenuse is what? Y by 0.3. That is nothing but what? Theta? Sin theta. Nothing but sin theta. Next is bigger triangle. What is our bigger triangle? See the bigger triangle PMB. We need x. So cos theta, adjacent side. What are the two measurements? One is unknown value, one is given value. So in theta, this is angle theta. Theta, this is what side? Adjacent side. This is what side? Hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse what? Theta? Cos theta. In triangle, bigger triangle PMB, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side having what axis? X axis. Adjacent side having x. So x by hypotenuse is nothing but what? 0.9. How come 0.9? So from total length of the ladder is 1.2. Locus point from x axis to point P is what? 0.3. Subtract 1.2 minus 0.3, you get 0.9 meter. So in bigger triangle, the hypotenuse is what? 0.9. Smaller triangle, the hypotenuse is what? 0.3. By using sin theta, first you find the y value. Because in smaller triangle ANP, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse, nothing but what? Sin theta. That is y by 0.3. In bigger triangle PMB or BMP, whatever, like adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, nothing but what? Cos theta. Adjacent side is what? X by 0.9. So adjacent side by hypotenuse is x by 0.9. That is nothing but what? Theta? Cos theta. Go through the diagram properly. Take down draw the diagram neatly, after do the sum. So using the two triangles, smaller triangle and bigger triangle, find the y value and what value? X value. Now we know the identity. What is the identity we know? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We know the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. What is our sin theta? See the question. Sin theta equal to, that is, I will rewrite here, sin theta equal to y by 0.3. Already we find out. Cos theta equal to x by 0.9. Substitute the value here. So sin theta equal to what? Y by 0.3. Y by 0.3 the whole square. Plus cos theta is what? X by 0.9. X by 0.9 the whole square equal to what? 1. Equal to 1. So y square by 0.3 the whole square. Simply write 0.0, 0.3 into 0.3. 0.3 into 0.3. 3 3s are 9. After 2 digit put the point 0.09. Keep it in mind. 0. This is often so doing the careless mistake. 0.3 into 0.3 is nothing but what? 0.09. Here 0.9 into 0.9 is 0.81. Already if you are having 2 digits, there is no problem. Here only you are committing the careless mistake. So y square by, what is our y square? Y square by 0.09 plus x square by 0.81 equal to 1, because we know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So y by c, we know the value for sin and cos value. Just now we are using the triangle, find the value for what? Sin and cos. Substitute the value y by 0.3 whole square plus x by 0.9 whole square equal to 1. Y square by 0.3 into 0.3 is what? 0.09 plus x square by 0.81 equal to 1. Now x square by, so rewrite this equation. We are having the plus value, therefore rewrite the equation. X square by 0.81 plus y square by 0.09 equal to 1, which is the equation of the ellipse. What is the equation of the ellipse? We know that. What is the equation of the ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is nothing but what? Equation of the ellipse. Now, so we find the value for a square. What is our a square? A square equal to 0.81. Therefore, here if you want means, right? Therefore, a square equal to 0.81. This is the x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Therefore, a square equal to 0.81. B square equal to 0.09. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Therefore, a square equal to 0.81, b square equal to 0.09. What is the formula for eccentricity? Very, very important for this one. Remember this one. Eccentricity E equal to root of 1 minus b square by a square. E equal to eccentricity formula. We are going to find the value for a and b. After, because the question is asking what is the eccentricity, find the eccentricity. We are having the eccentricity. The form is ellipse, so find the eccentricity. E equal to root of 1 minus b square by a square. Root of 1 minus 0.09 b square value. First you write it. Without mistake you write it. So 0.09. 1 minus 0.09 by 0.81. 0.81. Now, if you want to multiply and divide by 100 on both sides, so what happens? Multiply and divide by, if you want to take the square root. So, if you multiply and divide by 100, so 0.09, if you multiply with 100, it will become 9. 81, 0.81 into 100 will become what? 81. So, 1 minus 9 by 81. So, you cancel the value. 1 9 is 9. 9 9s are 81. 1 9 is 9. 9 9s are 81. Therefore, what happened? 1 minus 1 by 9. 1 9 is 9. 9 minus 1 is nothing but what? 8. 8 by 9. Root of 8 by 9. Now, how will you rewrite that 8? 8 is what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So, therefore, 8 is rewrite as 2 into 2 into 2. 9 is rewrite as what? 3 into 3. Therefore, eccentricity among the 2, we take down 1 2. 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2 by 3 into 3 take only 1 3. Therefore, eccentricity E equal to 2 root 2 by 3 meter. Very, very easy for it. See that one calculation. First we find the given question is given itself, where the question is given itself the ellipse. The contact with the x-axis is an ellipse. That the rod is contact with the x-axis, make an ellipse. Therefore, apply using the ellipse formula. We want to find, we need the ellipse formula, we need what? X square by a square plus y square by b square. Using that two similar triangle, first you find the y value, afterwards you find the x value. Smaller triangle, keep it in mind, smaller triangle. Using smaller, you are having the two triangle. Using the two triangle, first you find the x and the y value. Smaller triangle, first you find the y value. The bigger triangle, find the x value. So you and then after finding the sin theta, x value, using y is nothing but using what? Theta. Opposite side by adjacent side. What theta we are using? Opposite side by hypotenuse, using sin theta. For first finding y value, using sin theta find the y value. Next, adjacent side by hypotenuse, using cos theta you find the x value. So using sin theta you find the y value, using cos theta you find the x value. Therefore, after finding the x value and y value in the sin theta cos theta, remember the trigonometric identity. What is the trigonometric identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Substitute the value sin and cos in the identities. Substituting the Sine and cos value in this identity. Afterwards getting what? Y square by 0.09 plus x square by 0.81 equal to 1. Therefore this is of the form what? If we rewrite the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, which is an equation of the ellipse. Therefore nothing but a is equal to a square equal to 0.81, b square equal to 0.09. Therefore eccentricity E equal to root of 1 minus b square by a square. That is nothing but root of 1 minus 0.09 by 0.81. Multiply and divide by 100. If we multiply and divide by 100, it will become what? 1 minus 9 by 81. After cancellation, we get what? 1 by 9. So 1 minus 1 by 9, that is nothing but 1 9 is 9. 9 minus 1 is what? 8. Root of 8 by 9. You rewrite it 2 into 2 into 2. Root of 2 into 2 into 2 by 3 into 3. Among the 2 we take 1 2. Remaining is 1 root to balance. So 2 into root 2 by denominator is among 2 3. Taking the square root we get what? 3 only. Therefore 2 root 2 by 3 meter. The eccentricity is nothing but what? 2 root 2 by 3 meter. See, sum is very easy for you. You go through all the sums. For the next video class, I am going to start the chapter 8 for the second volume. Thank you, students. Draw the diagram neatly. Again I show the diagram. You draw the diagram, afterwards writing the step. It is very useful for you. Now thank you, students.